My dear citizens of India, on the eve of the 60th Independence Day, I extend to you all at home and abroad my greetings and best wishes for your happiness and prosperity. I would like to share with the salient features of a typical model that has made a significant impact on social development. Jeevan Vidya experience. Jeevan Vidya is being practiced by Professor Ganesh Bagaria, IIT Kanpur, Professor Rajiv Sangal, Director, IIIT, Hyderabad, and their teams. This scheme is concerned about addressing the basic causes of major problems of violence, corruption, exploitation, domination, terrorism, and war. It has been found that violent and antisocial behavior, unless dealt with care and with professionalism, could aggravate the extreme behavior. Jeevan Vidya develops tolerance for ambiguity, uncertainty in human contact by enabling self-knowledge that understand harmony in the self and the entire existence. The academicians could bring about a marked change even among the inmates of jails through the use of these techniques. Jeevan Vidya is a teachable human value-based skill that can address inherent conflicts within the mind of the individual, within the families, in organization, and in public life. Inner conflict is the very essence of violence. For example, with the skills imparted, it would be possible to reduce the overall period of secondary education from 25,000 hours of teaching to 20,000 hours. Since the children become more responsible and productivity conscious. These experiments can be outreached to influence many people by developing networks using ICT through our educational system that needs to pay increasing attention to this aspect of human development. This process of imparting self-knowledge would promote a learning atmosphere where this whole movement of inquiry into the knowledge, into oneself, into the possibility of something beyond knowledge would bring about naturally a psychological revolution. From this comes inevitably a totally different order in human relationship and therefore society as a whole. The intelligent understanding of the process itself can bring about a profound change in the consciousness of mankind.